far so good. We're gonna probably end up. Oh Lord. That's too much flex. Okay, all right guys, so basically, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Oh man, what's going on here? I look really bad in dark blue. Is this purple? This is dark blue, you're not wrong. I look really, right? Like I look really bad in this color.
This doesn't look right on.
Doesn't, exactly, so even though, what is this, Lacoste? My dad was like, you know, Lacoste is a good brand. I was like, I don't care about the brand if it doesn't look good, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, back to the video. I don't give a huge shout out. You guys know Omega Tuning. They are amazing. They hooked it up with this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler you guys saw in the rear. You guys are going to see that in Beamer Fest. We're actually heading over there tomorrow morning. We got about 6 hours of sleep if we sleep. Actually, we have 5.5 hours of sleep if we sleep absolutely right now.
4.5 probably.
So technically we're gonna have 4.5 hours to sleep, and then we got a huge road trip ahead of us. But yeah, Omega Tuning sent last second. They overnight shipped it. So shout out to them. They sent out some beautiful, beautiful, these are my first actual air scoops. So I've been working with this kid with his own custom air scoops, but this is like the real deal. Really, really, really nice. And this feels fine, such good quality. Made in the USA, boys. USA, you see it, John?
Saw that.
USA, you already know. So we're gonna slap these in real quick. We're gonna have a little bit of a yellow and a Nardo gray theme, so it should look pretty sick. We're gonna throw in and slap them in, see if the fitment's pretty good. My boy Johnny, cause I'm actually missing the piece. Ugh. He brought his piece to actually install it, so I need this little thing to install it. Your car should have it. My car doesn't have it because I haven't been able to find the part and I completely forgot about it. So don't worry about it. Anyways, go ahead and install it. What I do, because I actually don't even have that one piece like I said, you guys should have this piece. Just unbolt this little piece. Should be 2 screws there, 2 tabs there. Go ahead, put your hand behind here, pop out this grill. Oh boy, all right, and I just broke it. Nice. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and see how this thing looks. Gonna drag it from underneath here. We're gonna have to kind of finesse it, it looks like. Messed it up. Oh man. All right, actually no, I'm pretty sure. Oh dear heavens. All right, yeah, that I'm sure you have to bolt that. Oof. Oof.
Hold it.
Guys, what is that? That is.
Yo.
That's baller.
Really good, actually.
That is baller status right there. All right, well, we know how we're gonna be installing this bad boy, so we gotta pop out this side too, real quick. Okay, perfect.
Right over there.
Oh, and look at these stickers they included. Damn. That is some Fortnite stuff right there, isn't it?
Nah.
Shout out to Fortnite. Best
Shout
game.
out to Fortnite. I don't
Best
think they need
game.
a shout out.
I am 21 years old and I enjoy the game Fortnite. So, for those of you guys who say it's a kid's game, I need you to back the hell up and face me in a 1v1. Because Jonathan sucks and I'm sick and tired of fighting him. He's actually garbage. Like,
hold up. Okay.
You're actually garbage. Like, if I honestly
You're trying way too much.
You wouldn't get a kill if I actually tried.
Bruh.
I'm being serious.
This guy.
Anyways, let's go ahead.
I'll defend myself over here. Yeah, I'm trash at the game, but who cares?
I wish I could be all like, oh, let's play to the footage. Just you rank like 20 times.
I actually should.
You need to angle it down, and then you bring it up, just like that. So that looks beautiful. As you guys can see, Omega Tuning. This looks pretty baller. So I'll go ahead and just slap in. Oh dear, you see my broken down. Hallelujah. I'm gonna try to make it work. No, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to get rid. Oh damn. All right, well, that's that. You know.
I mean, it's really hard to see in this light.
No, but it's honestly like the perfect. Dude, it looks. The thing is, what I like about air scoops, guys, it's very
now
subtle.
You can see. Oh my goodness, that looks really good.
Damn boy, damn boy,
Looks really good.
damn boy. All right, well I guess in that case we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, guys, this is the next morning, and your boy is stupid tired in about 3.5 hours of sleep. But anyways, we gotta head out. All right, so me and Jonathan are about to head out. Jonathan over here is a little upset with me.
Bro, what are you wearing?
I don't know, dude.
Look at the angle of this thing.
Get the 2 angles going here.
This dude looks like he's about to go on a date when we have a 6-hour drive in a coupe manual.
I know, but I don't know. Like,
Hold up, let me see.
okay, we're about to cut this out right here.
What? Why? I mean, hold up. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm wearing. But I'm wearing like
Oh, they got the angle, yeah.
sweatpants, like
I don't. Okay, guys.
this is
The better
4 o'clock.
okay. The better you dress, the better you feel about yourself. That's just how it
That's
works.
true.
And to be honest, I don't even feel like I'm dressed that nice. I'm dressing so much.
This is too funny.
Should be good to go. Anyways, I'm gonna get the car out of the garage. We're about to start up this car, let it walk for a little bit, and then let's head out. We gotta hit up a gas station first. We gotta get some coffee.
Coffee. I need coffee. I'm dying over here.
Alright, so I got a few of you guys who ordered decals, so shout out to you guys. I'm about to mail these out right now. But yeah, so we gotta go ahead and throw the stamps on these guys, ship them out. If you guys want some decals to support the build, support the channel, check the link out down below, #SavingBMW. And without further ado, see you guys at least a minute into the trip. Alright guys, so we're at the Costco gas station. It looks like we're a little bit too early for this.
Yeah,
So we're just gonna start our journey. Probably head to the gas station, get some coffee because it's the only place that's open.
Probably like a Shell. Or
Probably
something.
a Shell or something.
Chevron.
Yeah. We'll see.
We got that 7-Eleven over here though.
Alright boys, let's pull up. Let's hopefully get some good coffee. Oh boy, the beast at its finest. Alright, let's head out.
Coffee time.
I feel it. We went ahead, got our coffees. He got a donut. I got some like egg rolls. Who cares? We try to get something to get our energy going. But yeah, let's head over. Alright guys, so this is a little check-in right now. Basically, we're about an hour in. So far so good. We're gonna probably end up... Oh Lord. Hey man.
Whoa.
Oh my god, guys. Out of nowhere, traffic just stops. We're over here dropping
That's
eight.
crazy.
Yeah, I look ahead and traffic is completely... You got that on camera?
I think so.
Oh my god.
I got it stopping for sure. I don't really know what happened.
Dude, my heart dropped. I literally see this truck fully stopped. I'm over here like, we're doing pretty well. We're gonna make it.
Great for content,
Dude,
though.
this is really good brakes. Yeah,
Great for content.
But the thing is, I need to make it. This car needs to get there. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's crazy out of nowhere, dude. Like literally, like it's been perfect.
Yeah, it was perfect until Jonathan grabbed the camera.
I'm like, yeah.
And I'm over here like,
let's do a little update here.
yeah. Oh my god. All right. Anyways, yeah, I'm probably not that clear on camera, but we're about to obviously take a stop in maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours. Make sure everything is good in the engine bay. Probably take a small break. Yeah, probably switch off as well. Take a small break. Make sure the engine cools down and everything, and for all the plastics also to kind of cool down. So my only fear is the fan snapping on me, because you know we kind of went Arab style on that. So yeah, well, I just don't understand what happened with traffic.
Yeah.
Boy 50.
From no one. Yeah, I'm young, 21, living in a crazy world, but I know the difference between a man and a hood. You frontin' like you got it, claim the hitting on your wallet, Gucci telling you the time and you watch it.
Мама криминал, когда кто рулят, опять нас как котят. Признавать их власть, как принимать яд, чем соотносчика, лучше вообще никак. Мама криминал.
Guys, I don't know if you guys can see over there. There's I think that's a CHP.
It's like a sheriff.
It's a highway patrol. I'm not sure, but I swear to you guys, everyone was going 90 until this dude shows up. Everyone dropped their speeds down to 75. That is not appropriate. He's in front of us. He's in front of, I think, 2 cars.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Yeah, this dude's trying to blend in, but it ain't happening, man. You know, with our laser vision, we can sense police if our eyes were closed. So
It's true.
Yeah, so-
we got that.
pretty much we just finished up hopefully our last fill up, so we're on our way. Hopefully they figure out we could do something pretty cool down there. Otherwise it'd be super boring, but we should be able to find something cool before BMFS. We do want to get some final parts for the car, so we are looking for a few trim pieces, so hopefully we can find those today. Huh?
What do you think about Taco Bell?
I'm thinking a lot of emotions, motion-wise. So emotions, I'm feeling love,
Love from Taco.
betrayal.
Betrayal.
A lot of mixed emotions because basically what happens is you get the love first,
Get the love from Taco Bell,
and then it
you gotta
screws
go
you
to the
over.
bathroom.
So yeah, and then not only that, like it just screws you over and everything makes you feel bad. So that's the betrayal portion.
Taco Bell.
Honestly, guys, I'm really stoked. I'm really stoked on everything came out. So far, the engine's running smooth, no problems, no issues, just a lot of gas, a lot of money. And you guys, I put in 50 bucks. I'm not even at a full tank, so
See that?
that's annoying. Gas prices out here, man. It's whatever. It's life. Pay to play. Again? All right, guys, he was just checking if there's any cracking on the tires themselves. Hoping the brightness isn't too bad. The sun's like super bright. Yeah, so basically we're just checking the tires because we haven't replaced those yet. Engine bay wise, no new leaks. Fan seems to be holding up just fine. It is fully intact, so that's good. And yeah, nothing new. Nothing, no coolant leaks, no nothing. We'll come back and see underneath the car if we see anything new, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. We're just gonna go inside, eat real quick. Hopefully everything's good to go.
Yeah, brushing off the cobwebs, open on my notebook. I'ma let my soul.
Car is looking good. All right, well, let's just fill up and have a good meal. Keep it kind of lightweight, healthy. At least get some water on the way out. But anyway, Jonathan's gonna go ahead and drive so we can go ahead and basically edit the video for you guys. So the video you guys are seeing, the video you guys saw, the retrofit, is the day I'm actually editing it. Huh? It's supposed to, yeah. It's supposed to turn the key twice, my dude. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start the editing. What the heck, John? This is a mess, my dude.
About to head out. Nour's on that grind. All right, let's get it.
Boy 50.
Yeah, and they don't know that I got me, and they don't see that we are free, living a life where we gon' be, wherever we wanna be, yeah, and they don't know that I got me, and they don't see that we are free, living a life where we gon' be, wherever we wanna be, yeah. We are destined for the greatness, it's a message.
Which YouTuber is rebuilding an R8? You guys saw it here. Oh my god. One day, guys. And I have this headset on because I'm editing a video, so don't mind that. But yeah, one day, guys, we'll be rebuilding an R8. That is so sick. Dream Spec 2, the black on black. Wow, that is sick. I bet you a YouTuber's starting that. I really wonder which one, because this is in LA, you know, so, you know, I'm sure somebody's rebuilding.
To sit and recline, but I can't afford to lose my mind. No, no.
Guys, you only see this in LA. A Lamborghini. Oh my lord. One day, boys. That we know.
And they don't see that we are free.
Wow.
Living a life where we gon' be.
That's crazy.
Wherever we wanna be, yeah. And they don't know that I got me. And they
Papa was like, oh, there's a bunch of scrubs over here. I don't know who they are. Alright, he's pulling up. Oh my god, man. It looks like a dream. Doesn't even look real. We're over here, me and Johnny. We're seeing Lambos, Maseratis, R8s, everything. We're just like, where have we been living? You know what I'm saying? Like, we need to live here for that motivation. You know what I mean? Like, if you wake up in the morning, you see a Lambo by your house, you're like, I can get that one day, you know? So, LA's already hitting me strong, man. I'm telling you guys, once I graduate college, my goals is to move down here. So, hopefully we can make that happen. Still got about another year and a half before I finish and I graduate. So yeah, just wish me the best and hopefully I can graduate. But for the meantime, enjoy LA for the next couple of days. I'll be here. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as possible, and should be fun. All right, guys, we're almost there at the hotel. Out here chilling. Hopefully we can do some fun things over here.
yeah. And they don't know that I got me. And they don't say that we are free. Living a life where we gon' be wherever we wanna be, yeah. And they don't.
Alright guys, I just got intel from Nick saying we're about to go make a video real quick, so that's gonna be kind of dope. He's gonna go ahead and pack everything and head out. I really don't know what's gonna happen, honestly. So basically, Nick hit me up saying he's free, so that's awesome. We're gonna go ahead and basically do some stuff, make some videos. Should be pretty dope. I don't really know what you know, today's got in store for us, but should be pretty fun.
Trying to take my spot, and I know that I'll be just fine. And every day it seems I just pass on time, never get up.